Hi everybody, and welcome back to our channel. So today our project is going to be this pub height dining table. We made this where it has seating on each side. I don't know if you can see that there. There's seating on both sides. It's 42 inches tall, so it's regular pub height. And we have a footrest on the bottom. So we're going to get our construction set up, and we'll be right back, so stay with us. Okay, so here's what we're going to start with today. We have, these are 1x6 off-the-shelf lumber. They're cut 48 inches long. We have 6 pieces, which was originally, obviously, 3 8-foot lengths cut in half. We have 4 41-inch pieces of 2x4. Those are going to be the legs. We have 4 42-inch pieces, and those are going to be the horizontal on the frame. And then we have 4 18-inch pieces, and those are going to be on the ends as part of the frame. So we're going to get the construction started, and when we get set up, we'll be right back. All right, so this is our setup. This piece here, I'm looking at it upside down, top down, is going to be one of the end pieces. So we have our 41-inch piece on the side up against our block so that we can push the screws in, the Craig jig screws. I guess I forgot to mention that. We're using the Craig jig's pocket hole system. Same thing there. We're going to use that board as a spacer. And then we are going to flip this around and insert the screws here. So when we get both the ends made, I'll come back and show you what they look like. Okay, so we completed the construction of the end pieces. You can see they're like a sort of like an H shape, and now we're going to put the 42-inch pieces. We're going to attach them on the ends on both sides, and then we're going to have a footrest that goes in the middle. So we'll get those put together and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so we have the basic construction here done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a piece in the middle here, as you can see, that's going to be for a footrest. So that's our next step, and we'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, we've got our footrest supports in, and now we're going to set our 1x6s on it so you'll see what it's going to look like when we get it all attached. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the top pieces laid in place and the footrest laid in place. We're going to trim the footrest off to length so that it fits better. But we think that looks pretty good. So it's going to have seating for 2 on each side, and be a really nice pub height table. So our next step is underneath here, we're going to put Craig jig holes and attach the top from the bottom so that there will be no exterior screws anywhere on the piece. So we'll be right back when we get all that done. Okay, so we have our piece upside down on our table, and we have drilled the Craig jig holes down. We're going to take this piece, set it on our top boards. They are good side down. And then we're going to attach them with the Craig jig. So we'll be right back when we get that done. Okay, so we're back, and we have all of the top boards and the footrest all attached with the Craig jigs underneath. So now we're going to put some filler in the gaps, let it dry overnight. Tomorrow sand it, and then we're going to put a finish on it. So we'll be back tomorrow when we get that all done, and you'll see the end result. So here's a reminder what we started with. We have 6 pieces of 1x6, 48 inches long, which started out as 3 8-foot long pieces. We have 4 41-inch 2x4s that are the legs, 4 42-inch pieces that are going to be the horizontal pieces, and 4 18-inch pieces that are going to be the horizontal on the ends. So that's what we started with, and here's the end result. Okay, we're back, and here's the end result. We put a dark stain on the frame and white on the shelf surfaces. We think it looks pretty good. We hope you agree. We would like for you to subscribe, share with your friends, give us a thumbs up, and until next time, we hope you have a great day.